Hey everyone, Pat Spielman here, founder at Uptics. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really exciting new feature within the Uptics platform as part of our 2.0 launch to help onboard and set up your accounts really simply. So whether you're a new user coming into the platform, somebody's added you into an existing account, or maybe you took a break from Uptics, hopefully that's not the case, and you're just getting back into the platform now, you can use this step-by-step onboarding feature to help you set up your account and get a sequence launched really, really quickly. So let me walk you through that. First of all, when you first log in, you're likely going to land on this screen, but if you ever need to navigate back, you just click the Uptics logo in the upper left-hand corner. That's going to take you back to this onboarding screen. So a couple things, aside from the step-by-step setup process, as you set up the account, you're going to earn some free credits. These free credits are just credits that we're giving to you in order to use the phone platform, the SMS system, even the power dialer, and validating email addresses so that you're preventing landing in spam and you're not sending emails to emails that bounce. So super exciting there. We're giving those free credits away just to get you started. There's a couple bonuses that we're throwing in. I'm not going to reveal what those are on this video. You can find out for yourself, but we're also giving away a couple nice little bonuses throughout the process as you set up your account. So first of all, this onboarding experience is essentially your really important setup points that you need in the system in order to use it. Okay. So connecting your inbox, for instance, for sending emails, of course, you need to connect your inbox. So as part of this launch, we've also integrated, we used to only have Gmail and IMAP SMTP. We've integrated with all the major platforms, Outlook, Microsoft 365. I don't know if you're using Yahoo or AOL. I won't make any jokes there. You can integrate with those as well. So super, super easy. You just enter your email address there, you connect it, you allow some access to it, and you're going to be able to send emails. You can edit your signature right from this screen, your email signature. You can set up your email validation. So we use Zero Bounce to validate email addresses. They're one of the best in the industry. It's a native integration within the platform. You don't have to do anything other than just sign up for Uptics, and you can utilize those free credits towards this service as well. We have all the settings already set up for you. All you got to do is toggle this button on. I'm not going to go through every single one of these steps in detail here. I just want to show you sort of the navigation, but just start at the top, work your way down, and you're going to get your account set up really quickly. So we're going to help you set up your phone platform. So if you don't have a phone number, you can get a phone number. You can buy one within the platform, and you can also set up your voicemail in here. You can upload your contacts right on this screen as well. You can connect with Zapier right here. So we're going to generate a Zapier key. And then we also even have some pre-built Zaps within the system that you can use to integrate with the platform. And then the really important part here within our platform, of course, is launching a sequence. So all that is to say you can launch a sales sequence and start getting your messaging out to your cold leads, warm leads, hot leads, whoever it is. You can start automating your process. So obviously, as part of our platform, we're multi-channel. It's going to schedule manual tasks for you. It's going to do automated tasks for you. A/B testing is about maybe less than a week away from getting launched. We have some pre-built sequences for you. I'll show you that in a second. You can automate your enrollments. You don't have to manually enroll people. You can automate those just by changing custom or properties within the leads. And then of course you can always track your results. So all you got to do is click that build new sequence. You can either create a new sequence or you can pick one of our pre-built sequences within the platform. So right now we have 8 pre-built sequences. So that comes with email copy, that comes with tasks, it comes with delays, everything. So that's really the onboarding experience. So it's really meant so that you can get your account set up really fast with limited effort. You're not having to click around in the system. Pretty much all these settings in the system are settings that are down here in the cog and then other areas of the platform. So this is all just on one screen, super, super easy to use. And if you get a little extra time, Of course, we'd love for you to add your teammates. You can add your teammates in the system here, assign what access level they have. You can also invite your friends if you'd like, and you'll earn bonus credits for each of those. And of course, if you want to follow us on any sort of social media channels, we're giving you free credits for that stuff as well. So this is the onboarding experience. Really, really easy. Super excited. We really hope this helps set up your new users faster and start winning customers faster. So hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.